Hi folks, how you doing? Welcome to another video. Today, it's Sunday, I'm actually doing some mobile mechanics. Try not to do it too much. It's what I used to do, don't like doing it, but this is an old customer of mine and a good friend. And it's actually something that we don't really see that often. And the top mount has gone on the shock. So let me show you what we're doing. So we've got this bag of shit in, and we're also in fucking Hillbillyville. This is a 2008 car. And you can just about see in there, the shock absorber is literally just rusted through and gone through the top mount. So, bought new top mount, new bearing, new shocks. Got jack out. You can see how fucking hillbilly this place is. Yeah, we're gonna get it done. Hopefully all of the parts are correct, because otherwise I'll be pissed off. We'll see how it goes. Right, so she's all jacked up with the wheel off, and then I've got all this trim off as well. I only have to take this wiper blade off from this side. You can see how bad it is now. It literally just burst through. Where it's jacked up, it's just gone all the way through. Now the top mounts on these are really weird. They're held on with this stupid fucking clip. So that needs to be addressed, because the way you do these properly is with the weight still down, but I didn't want to do that because of that's no longer attached. You know, for safety I want to put some spring clamps on while it's still up there, because if I undo them nuts I could end up fucking trapping a finger, or that could end up going west. So yeah, I'm going to get the spring clamps on while it's up there, and then hopefully I can tap that out. But I've got everything. I've got complete new top mount, new bearing, new shocks, and no fucking about. Right, so I've had to do something a little bit janky, and you should never ever do this, but I do kind of know what I'm doing. Well, in theory I should know what I'm doing, but anyway, so I've had to put a ratchet strap around the spring, because I couldn't get these spring compressors up in there to secure the spring. Now I've not put any, I mean there's a little bit of tension on that, but I haven't actually compressed the spring at all. All I've done is just secured it, so then the spring stays where it is, so then I can undo these bolts without losing my fingers. Then what I'll do is, once I've got the shock out, I'll put the spring compressors on. Now all of this is just the excess, there's nothing there, it's just all wrapped around, so it's out of my way and I'm not fighting with it. So then if it does decide to go, I can move real fucking quick. So don't ever do this, but I am, because needs must, unfortunately. There you go, like I said, just put the spring compressors on afterwards, got that off. Now it's just a matter of refitting everything. So there you go, all back together. You can see how that little thing fucking clips in. Stupid idea. It's clearly just a water trap, and that's why it fucking rotted out. So yeah, wheels back on, locked off. But yeah, you can see, oh, that's the old bearing. That's the old top mount. Literally just rotted clean through. The only thing I couldn't do was the bump stop, because yeah, there ain't a fucking hope in hell of trying to get that fucker off. So what I'll do is I'll take it down the unit, I'll cut it, and then I'll come back one day and just refit that. She doesn't rally the fucking thing anyway. So yeah, all I've got to do is wipe up and trim, put all that back together, and then we're done, and clear up obviously. So yeah, that's it for this video. Thought I'd just share fucking just a random day for us. Like I said, you know, I don't do this often. You know, I mean, I do general mechanics quite a bit still, just because it's paying the bills until the new unit's completed. Although in theory we should have an XR2 turning up next week, so I can crack on with that, and that's a quick job, just some welding on the floor pan. But unfortunately fucking bills have to be paid while I can't do the restorations. So anyway, rambling on as always. I don't know why I fucking do it, I just ramble. Yeah, hope you like this video, give me a thumbs up. Please have a look in the description, check out my friends' channels. Please support me on Patreon and Teespring, and I'll see you for the next one. Bye.